Hello and welcome to English 111, Section 801, Shaw University, Spring Semester 2016. My name is Jason Morgan. I am a professor here at Shaw University, and we will be, in this video, kind of giving you just a brief overview of how this class is going to work. This is done online, so it is expected for you to know basic technology, actually a little bit more than basics, some advanced technology, which we'll explain in class. I'm using something called Screencast-O-Matic to create these videos, so as I move my mouse around, you can see there's like a yellow circle that goes with it that helps you figure out where the mouse is at any given time. On the main page here, you have, oh look, this course has not been set up with content. Yes, it has. I just did that a second ago. Anyway. You have the news forum. This is where I will post different announcements about different things. When I post something in the news forum, so for example here, it's like, oh, look, course created. You click on that and you can read information. This same thing will be sent to your Shaw email. Okay, and yeah, the best way to reach me is Shaw email, which we'll talk about in a second. To go back to the main course, you just click on this link right here. Whoop, that takes you back to the beginning. For this main thing, we also have the syllabus, attendance. That should be where you can see your attendance. We'll talk about resources in a minute. MindTap and MLA formatting we'll talk about in a minute. But for right now, the syllabus, okay, that's the important thing. This is basically a binding agreement between you and me. To read the syllabus for this class, you click on the link, boop, and it pops it up, okay? This is the syllabus. I want you to read through the syllabus and note that there are certain things on it. We're going to hit some highlights in this video. So please note, so there's my name. I do have office hours here on campus at Shaw University, so if you need to reach me, you can come to these office hours. That is the telephone number to my office, and that is my email address. The email is the best way, by far, to reach me. I check my email several times a day, and you must email me with your Shaw email address, which we'll talk about in a second. A little bit about me. I have my master's degree in creative writing. I am a published author. I go by the pen name J. Lloyd Morgan. I have 7 published novels. My bachelor's degree is in communications with a minor in English, so I'm kind of familiar with what English is. The textbook is called Steps to Writing Well. This will be done online, so I will show you later how you're going to access this textbook. You will need to buy it, but you won't have to buy the physical book. It'll be purchased and it'll be an online textbook with some activities in it. So, some other highlights from the syllabus, okay? When you email me, please make sure you include which course you're in. I am teaching 7 classes this semester, and I will not remember who is in which class. So, therefore, please state that you are in section 801, yeah. So ENG 111, 801. Let me know which class you're in so I can find you. If you email me, you don't tell me what class you're in, I will respond back with which class are you in, because I don't know. Again, if you need to get a hold of me, please use email. That's the fastest way to do it. Some other highlights. So the rest of this email, again, you need to read through this on your own, some stuff. As far as late assignments go, I do accept late work. However, it is 25% off the maximum possible for each day it is late. That is pretty hefty, but it's better than a 0. So if the assignment is due at 11:55 p.m. and you turn it in at 11:56, it is considered 1 day late. So do not do your stuff late. Turn it in on time. If you have an emergency, let me know ahead of time so I can help you, okay? And again, make sure you tell me which course number and the title in the email. Okay. Some other stuff, again, the interaction will be done through email. You can call me on my cell phone when I'm in my office. That's not my cell phone, but actually my office phone. All official correspondence will be sent through the Shaw email. So if I need to contact you, I will use your Shaw email. I cannot email you with your other email. Don't give me your Google or your Yahoo email or anything like that. I can't use it. Yeah, send me your Shaw email. If you don't know your Shaw email address, contact the school and make sure you get that set up. Let's see, what else? Some highlights. If you are running late on work, and you need help, let me know in advance. If you wait to the very last minute to do assignments and you can't get your computer work, that is not an acceptable excuse. No. Turn your stuff in on time, early if you can. Remember, 25% late. Yeah, that's bad. So the breakdown of the grades is that we do have the final portfolio, we have 3 papers we're going to be writing, and some activities and discussions. They're all worth about this. Yes. And remember, all coursework will be submitted through Moodle, which I'll show you how to do. Do not email me assignments. Do not. That will not work. You have to use Moodle. That's the breakdown of how the SHA does their grades. There's no minuses or pluses. You just get an A, B, C, D, or an F. That's what it does. Again, remember, not having a computer or computer crashes is not an excuse for late work. This is an online class. You are expected to have a working computer and a backup plan. And you are expected to know how to do certain things on the computer. That's just the way that it goes, because it's an online class. I've taken several online classes. I've taught online classes. I understand the struggle, but that is part of the course. This is not a computer course. This is an English course. In addition, I am not technical support. I am an English teacher, and you don't want me trying to help you. Okay. I would recommend you use Google Chrome when using this. It seems to work best for everything that we got going on here. Okay, you have to send me your files as a doc. That should be a doc, D-O-C, or a docx. Okay, it's a Microsoft Word. Now, you don't necessarily have to have Microsoft Word, but you have to send me files that Microsoft Word can open, because otherwise it's like you're sending me a paper in French, and I can't read French. Okay, I need to open a file I can read. Plagiarism, we'll have a lesson on this a little bit later in a few weeks, but yes, if you cheat, you will get a 0 on that particular exam or paper, and you could receive a F for the course. Everything is going to be submitted electronically, so if you cheat, it will go through a filter, and it'll show me that you cheated, and that's bad. So don't do that. Here's a breakdown of the assignments and what we're doing every single week. This is also on Moodle. Keep in mind that we do have some holidays, so spring break, there's no work assigned that day. There are weeks when there is no school because of the holidays. On those weeks, then we won't have as much work to do. So there's the plan with that. So there is the syllabus. So there you go. That's the basic introduction to the class. And to go back, let's see if I can go back to Moodle. It's hiding behind this thing. Boop. Move that back up. All right, screencast. There we go. Okay, so we're back to the Moodle class. So that's it for the introduction to this class. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go down to week 1, and you're going to watch the video for week 1 and see how to do that. Alrighty, thank you for watching this video, and again, if you have any questions, go ahead and email me. For right now, your assignment is to read the syllabus. Thanks.